Redmi A1, light blue, 2GB RAM, 32GB storage, Helio A22, 5000 mAh battery, 8MP AI dual cam, leather texture design, Android 12. About this item. Display, 16.56 cm HD plus scratch resistant display. Processor, MediaTek Helio A22 processor, up to 2.0 GHz. Camera, 8MP dual camera vertical bar 5MP front camera. Memory, storage and SIM, 2GB LPDDR4X RAM vertical bar 32GB storage expandable up to 512GB with dedicated SD card slot vertical bar dual SIM, Nano plus Nano, dual standby, 4G plus 4G. Battery, 5000 mAh large battery with 10W in-box charger. Technical details. OS Android Go. RAM 2GB. Product dimensions 16.5 x 0.9 by 7.7 cm, 192 grams. Batteries 1 lithium polymer batteries required. Included wireless communication technologies Bluetooth, cellular, Wi-Fi. Connectivity technologies Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB. GPS True. Special features splash-proof design, 8MP AI dual camera portrait mode vertical bar short video vertical bar time-lapse, 3.5mm jack, dedicated micro SD slot. Other display features wireless. Device interface primary touchscreen. Other camera features rear, front. Audio jack 3.5mm. Form factor bar. Color light blue. Battery power rating 5000. What's in the box? Redmi A1 power adapter, USB cable, SIM eject tool, warranty card, user guide. Manufacturer Redmi. Country of origin India. Item weight 192 g.